breakfast in bed for my favorite cat.
Oh boy, thank you, Daddy!
Good morning, sir.
My, aren't we punctual today?
Make sure the kerning is perfect on that cue. And hurry it up! The bell is about to ring! Thank you so much, Chef. It looks delicious.
You are very welcome.
These are so juicy.
I believe this belongs to you.
Everyone back? Give space! Space.
Possible food contamination. Need medical now. Keep moving along, folks. Plenty of room. Right this way, please.
I double-checked the logs, sir. Everything is accounted for, and here are the labels.
Good. See that it stays that way, Chef.
Vitals are stable, but pressure is low.
Getting the fluids ready now, Doctor. Start with 500 milliliters.
It's gonna be okay. They're taking care of her now.
Please, you have to help me find my mom. She's missing.
All units wet Unit 1, be advised.
The worst is over, little one. You're gonna be fine.
Sugar binding reagent, synthesizing counter serum now.
All right, Rat. The game is over. Tell... Stop!
Antidote delivery complete. Protocol 51 initiated.
The target is slowing down near the port exit.
Copy that. Moving in now.
See? The delivery timestamp aligns exactly with the truck's GPS data. Everything is accounted for.
I have a warrant for your arrest.
All units, perimeter secure. We have the contraband.
I repeat, the warehouse is locked down.
Have you seen her? Please help me find my mom.
Your mom? Why should I care about your mom, kid?
As you will see on the banner, today we celebrate safe snacks. Please enjoy these delicious Florida oranges.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
Like and subscribe!